Here is Italy, Kilowatt 5 Sugar, Romeo Fox, calling CQ DX.
X-ray 20 Romeo Charlie Kilo special call QRZ.
Of course, there's more art house movies that we also got to know, and also action movies.
You already know my QRP Labs QMX transceiver, which I fully modified in one of my previous videos. The first thing what I added is the PTT button on the side. Also, I added this battery pack to the back. And also, I added the speaker. Here you can see a really tiny speaker which has been originally used in the ATS Mini receiver. It was the very first version of the Mini receiver, and the sound of the speaker was not the greatest. Latest models of the ATS receivers came with a higher quality speaker. So if you buy the ATS Mini receiver today, you will most probably get this radio with this tiny high quality speaker. This speaker is made by AAC Technologies, which is really big brand which supplies these speakers to Xiaomi, Apple, Samsung, Huawei and the other brands. The model of this speaker is AAC 211023A2. So today I'm going to open my transceiver and replace the speaker here from the very first version of the ATS receiver to a new high quality speaker. I hope that the sound after this modification will be much better. The dimensions of this tiny speaker are truly amazing. Height of the speaker is only 12 millimeters and width of the speaker is about 16 millimeters. Maybe 15, 16, plus minus. Thickness of the speaker is around maybe 5.5. So it's truly a small device. And here you can see this speaker. Well, I found a little problem with the size of the new speaker. As you can see, it is slightly thicker than the previous one, and that may be a problem for this PC board, which is sliding over it. So you can see just a portion of millimeter and it fit perfectly underneath. So there is a question if I am able to force the PC board over the new speaker and I'm okay, or what next. So maybe I should grind a little bit of this PC board from the other side, but I hope there are not any circuits or something. Seems that not. You can see that there is just the ground and here as well, but I hope that there is no multi-layer PCB and there is nothing inside. It doesn't seem like there is anything inside, but who knows? I don't have a schematic diagram. So I'm going to find out how I can fit this PC board over a new speaker. Finally, I decided to not grind the bottom part of the PC board because I found that if I push the speaker down and if I slide the PC board over the speaker, there is not any visible damage or big pressure on the speaker. There is a little pressure on the speaker, but quite enough to hold the speaker on its place and not pushing it much. So definitely this is the good thing. But the other thing what I need to do is to drill a little hole here onto the PC board because we have this little vent on the back side of the speaker. So I have to find exact location. The distance from the edge to the vent is exactly 6 millimeters. So I should go 6 millimeter deep into the PC board, which is right here. And if you can see the center of the vent, it is going through this line. So the hole should be located somewhere here. I'm going to use this 1 millimeter drill for it. It seems that I found the ventilation through the hole quite precisely, as you can see. So the hole is right over the ventilation center. If you want to see the bottom side of this PC board, where is the location of the hole? It is right between 2 and 5. I hope that I didn't cut anything, any trace inside maybe in the board. So this is my risk and I'm going to find it out after I complete the radio. There is one thing what I didn't notice before. It is the size of the speaker. When I was trying to complete my radio and put this encoder board inside, I found that there is an obstruction. I'm not able to put the other side deeper into the hole because of the speaker inside. And therefore I decided to change my plans. I'm going to rotate the speaker to this direction. And the good news is that when I put this PC board over the speaker, the ventilation hole is still on the same place. And here, as you can see, there is a plenty space for this encoder board. The only thing what I have to do is to drill another 3 holes above the line. And one very important note, please be very careful with these tiny speakers, because you can break this flexi cable like I just did. Honestly, it's not easy to drill these little holes in just one line to have a perfect shape, but I did my best. And this is how it looks like in its final. A new speaker placed in a different direction. On the other side you can see 3 extra holes which are slightly bigger. 1 millimeter drill each, and also these 4 holes I made slightly bigger. Inside you can see the mesh, protection mesh against the dust, and I've got this mesh or remove it from my old Quancheng UVK5 transceiver. Originally this mesh was in front of the speaker. I've used 2 layers of this mesh in front of this tiny speaker inside. And it is done. The QMX transceiver has been finally modified with a better speaker, and we can expect a better sound. So let me turn the transceiver on and listen to the sound from the speaker.
United Nations, the Shanghai Collaboration Organization, BRIC, and APEC. He said both sides should firmly uphold the post-war international order and the authority of international law, unite the global south, and steer global governance system reform in the right direction. Russian President Vladimir Putin said bilateral relationship has reached an unprecedented level of excellence with frequent high-level exchanges.
Well, as you could hear on the recording after this modification, the sound from the speaker was terrible. Actually, the problem is not in the speaker itself. The problem is that the membrane, which is in the speaker, was very close to the surface of the enclosure, and it beating this enclosure during the sound. While this beating the membrane of this enclosure, it creates this terrible noise. But there is no electrical issue. The issue is just this mechanical problem. So therefore I had to decide to patiently made this big hole to the enclosure, and now is the membrane pretty free around. There is no any obstruction in front of the membrane, so the membrane now is vibrating freely. I've tested it before, and I found that is the issue because of this vibrating. So let me stick it inside and try that. I created a mask, the black mask for this speaker, to hide this shiny surface of it, of the membrane, and I'm going to stick it on it. The membrane is very sensitive, so I have to be very gently.
Recently, of course, there's more art house movies that we also got to know, and also action movies as well, right?
But you know, last year it was like the first 俄州和派电影。
Thank you, sir. Again, an EDX from Beaming Asia. Beaming to East, calling CQ, CA to 59 here in central Italy. So back to you, how copy? Victor Uniform 2, Papa, Japan, India, from Italy, Kilo 5.
X-ray 20 Romeo Charlie Kilo special call QRZ.
Delta Lima 3 Kilo Delta Mike. Tango Charlie 1, Mike Alpha Yankees, correct you call, over.
I think that this modification is the final. So thanks very much, guys, for watching this modification video, and I'm very happy to have a good sound, and maybe I will use this radio in some of my live streams. 73s, and hope to see you next time.
Or wherever you get your favorite podcast.